$1,000 for the cheap ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. All the food went out to Spain to be in
Hey, y'all, hi. It's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. And we in this motherfucker, y'all doing our little filter, you heard me? Hey, y'all check out the room, check out the room. Turn around, check out the room. Y'all say what's up to the cam. Yes, y'all see the man right here? Come on, turn around this way, turn around this way. Just hold on, listen well. Shout out, baby, come on, Shana girl, got my audience and shit.
The pain that I suffered watching my son close to death.
Get down.
What's Gucci? You know who is? Fifth Ward Wild Tower, aka Fifth Ward Spineless. Let me tell my story. Shout out to Wildberry, Watch Club, Execution Network, and my homegirl, Ratchet Tracy, for having me on her show.
Ratchet Tracy in this bitch. And your girl Nay Nay, yes, I'm back. And I took a little break, but I'm back. Goddamn right, but Fifth Ward is in the building. Yes, we is. The Bloody Nickel. Yes, on the Ratchet Tracy show.
On the Ratchet Tracy show out there, we gonna put up. When you ready to see what you can, you got that seat right there. This your seat. You man out right now. You got the camera on, you see that right there, so that's when you talking to the people. You ready? Be ratchet for 5 minutes, you heard me?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm Gucci.
Okay. This shit get real crazy fast.
Yeah, yes it does. Yes it does. So you know it, bitch, time in the rain time. And everything.
I can't get into it, friend. I got more I ain't never get into it. I
Running on diesel, dawg. Playing with my name, that shit is lethal, dawg. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dawg. Don't just say it now, you gotta show me what you got. Bring the clip back empty. Yeah, asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dawg. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dawg. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dawg. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'm straight up. Gotta do it if you really wanna ball. Shit, the ball when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. So you last nigga do it. Got a money coming in a hard way. Got a sticky in a keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you love it, magic, not soft shade.
Now we about to get ready, y'all. We about to get ready, about to pop it off for the just a second. Y'all make sure y'all stay in tune. Y'all see the people. Okay, I gotta make sure this shit look ratchet, y'all. It look ratchet. It don't look ratchet enough for me. It ain't gonna look ratchet enough for me.
Backdrop nice.
That's it. I need to have some weed hair, some shit hanging from that motherfucker. This don't look enough ratchet. This look too classy. This don't look like me.
Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bins all on your head like Jesse Terry. Whoa, Richard Millie cuss a Lambo. Known to keep the better.
On commando. Is it ready? Oh yeah, take her out the mix. Take that bitch out the mix. Judge Judy, you is out of there. You was not gonna be a part of the Ratchet show. And
She want her in too.
I know. Now that's Ratchet too. See, I said I wanted some Ratchet. Find something else to put on, like Telemundo or something. That bitch got Telemundo playing in her back. Bitch, that's the old, bitch. That's the old, bitch. Listen, motherfucker. Y'all think y'all understand English around this bitch. Let me say something else in a different kind of way. Alright. So give me your track, sir.
I'm saying to my go to YouTube,
yeah.
and put Fifth Ward Wild Child every dog pizza and icy. Shout out to my homegirl Icy, Money Breeze and Wild Breed.
Yeah.
It's a long ass title for a song, nigga. Wait a minute.
It's every dog featuring ice.
Every dog.
Featuring ice.
Stop right there. Every dog. Look, take me slow. Every dog featuring
ice.
Okay.
Over 3,700 views on that song.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's good.
We in the house
I'm
with the
pretty shoot the
goddamn.
I'm pretty shoot the Rat Cat video next week.
Yeah.
I'm dropping the double single Change and Justice on July 4th of July.
All day.
Okay,
So you got some work in the book.
Yeah.
About to get it, huh? Okay, we finna do a little promo right quick, okay? We're gonna start this soon.